friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about the one of the most frequently asked questions about the Realme GT Neo 2 is about the black color crush issue. So this is the most frequent question, friends, which I'm getting plenty of the comments on the Realme GT Neo 2, so I thought of making a video. The main reason why I'm getting more comments on this particular issue is because right now at this moment during this Flipkart Diwali sale, the Realme GT Neo 2 is available for about 25,000 rupees, so 25,249, and a lot of people they did order the device, and few of them they did receive the device, and they did find out that they are having the black color crush issue, and that's the reason why I'm getting plenty of comments. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting. Hi bro, I just bought the Realme GT Neo 2 today, and I did observe that black color crush issue and black area is visible in green color. Should I replace the unit or will it be solved with the future updates or anything? There is a question, friends, which I'm getting from plenty of comments. Few things let me try to be clear, saying that this problem is not observed in all the phones. Only few units will be having this kind of black color crush issue. Okay, that's the thing you should all know about that one thing. And next thing, in case if you order this same phone with the Realme GT Neo 2, and if you have the green tint issue or maybe black color crush issue, okay, these two issues, if you have it in your device, this is a small flowchart which I did create for the Realme GT Neo 2 users. If you buy the Realme GT Neo 2 and if the phone is good, that's perfectly alright, so you're happy, no issues. If the phone has got any kind of black color crush issue, then you have two options. So either you can actually wait for the software updates, or maybe you can apply for the replacement, or maybe return the phone. If you apply the replacement also, there are chances that you may get again the black color issue unit. So no one can guarantee, not only me, unless you open the box and you see by yourself and you do the testing by yourself, only then you'll be able to find out whether it's good or bad. If it's good after the replacement, that's happy, no issues. If it is bad, then you have the two options, either to wait for the software updates, or if you want, you can return the device. So next thing, if you wait for the software updates to fix this kind of issue, it's a big question mark, because I'm not sure whether it will be fixed or not. I'm saying that it cannot be fixed. I'm not saying like that. It can be fixed, but I'm not sure how much it can be fixed. For example, if there is a black color crush issue, maybe the problem can be fixed 50% or maybe 70%, maybe 30%. Sometimes it cannot even fix the issues. So these are the things you should definitely understand, friends. If you have the black color crush issue, you need to take the immediate decision. So in my case, what I'll suggest you is that try to do your research, try to watch all the videos, and even I did use a couple of applications, which is Screen Balance application on the Play Store. I did use to check whether it's any kind of black color crush issue preventing or not, but it's not working for me. I'll try to make another video, you will definitely understand. It's not helping at all. So what I'll advise you is that don't rely on the software updates, because in my experience till now, no problems got fixed in the software updates. To be frank, it did not even get fixed. For example, I'll try to take a couple of phones as well as an example. Let's take this phone. This is the iQOO 7 device which has got the green tint issue problem. The company did promise that they will be fixing the green tint issue problem, but it's been 5 months, they did not fix it. So okay, leave the iQOO 7 device. Next, what is about the another phone, which is the Mi 11X device. This is the Mi 11X device which has got black color crush issue, serious problem, and even the green tint problems as well. None of the problems got fixed in the Mi 11X device even after few months of release the phone. So not only this phone, even if you wait for 1 year also, there is no guarantee that it will be fixed. For example, there is ROG Phone 3 which I did purchase recently, you got to know, and later I did return because the black color crush issue is so bad that even after 1 year, the problem not yet got fixed in the ROG Phone 3. You'll be able to see the samples which are taken during the photo shot, as you can see, photocopy. So don't rely and don't believe most of the things on the software updates. So if I am that kind of person, I will not even believe the software updates. Yes, not even because I got a real life proof as well. So because none of the companies were able to do and were able to fix this issue, maybe they can prevent little bit. Maybe they cannot solve. I don't think they'll be solving 100% of the problem. Maybe they can prevent maybe 50% or 70% or 30%, some case maybe 10% only may fix. So we cannot guarantee on the software updates. It's kind of risk for you to take. So in case if you feel the black color crush issue is more for you, then you can definitely apply for the replacement. But in my opinion, it depends upon the user, type of user as well. This phone has got everything perfect. I do know that no phone is perfect. So every phone has got its own one disadvantage. So maybe this phone has got a couple of disadvantages as well, but still this black color crush issue can be only found in few units. Try to remember, even after you apply for the replacement, there are chances that you may get again the bad unit. So if you get the bad unit, it's up to you to decide whether to return the device or maybe wait for the software updates. But in the software updates, it's not guaranteed that it can be fixed, because I got the live examples in my studio. I'm not talking about other phones which I don't have. In my studio, whatever phones I'm having, I'm trying to show you the live proof. ROG Phone 3, it did not even get fixed. iQOO 7 device, no. Mi 11X device, no. I'm not sure whether the Realme will be doing this kind of thing, fixing the black crush issue, because there are so much other things for them to fix in the Realme UI at this moment. I'm not sure whether they'll be concentrating on this particular thing at this moment, but I cannot guarantee. But still, I'm trying to just give the practical example and practical test only. After using this many phones, after doing this many research, I came to know that don't believe in the promise of the updates. So don't trust the updates, but maybe if you have the hope in the company, maybe if you have the really good experience, then definitely you can. But for me, I would not advise you to like 100% rely on the updates, maybe a little bit. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this Realme GT Neo 2, let me know in the comment section below. So don't get me wrong, I'm not against this Realme company or any other company. I'm just trying to show you the facts, and I'm trying to share the information. This phone is perfect, but some flaws. That's it. Every phone has got its own advantages and disadvantages. That I cannot say one phone is perfect. Till now, I don't have any phone as a perfect phone. Yes, to be frank, I don't have any phone like that. So I don't think we'll be able to get that perfect phone, because every phone will have very, very small drawbacks, every phone. So that's, friends, thank you for watching this video. I thought of talking and elaborating all the problems, what can happen, so and what are solutions you should take. And this is a small flowchart which might be helpful for a lot of other users who are actually having this kind of doubts. And if you look at the ratings as well, if you go to the display, only few people give the negative. I mean, maybe only few units may have this kind of black color crush issue, not the major ones at this moment. So those phones, iQOO 7 and the Mi 11X device, those phones I did see plenty of reviews. I mean, plenty of comments saying that they are having issues. But on the Realme GT Neo 2, I think out of 10 ratio, if you try to take, I did get till now complaints only from 1:10 ratio. Not more than that. I did not get so many complaints. Only few complaints I got regarding the black color crush issue. So if you look at the comments, you will be definitely noticing that some people, they don't have any kind of black color crush issue. As you can see, the display, for some people only they are facing this kind of black color crush issue. And if you try to observe some other users, they did mention that display has got black color crush issue and the camera is average quality. Yes, I can totally accept about the camera. Camera can be common for all the users, but display problems cannot be common for all the users. It depends upon the calibration from one unit to other unit as well. So that's also another thing. Try to look at the Flipkart reviews, you'll definitely understand. But in my opinion, this is the complete feedback which I can actually give you. Instead of typing for each and every comment, I thought of making a video and letting you know what is actually happening at this moment. So you should know what is going on. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.